In the 10 section, the News tab has been added, where traders can stay informed about high-impact economic news published on the Forex Factory website. To enable this feature, simply go to the Tools tab, select Options, then enter the Expert Advisors tab, and activate the Allow a Request option in this section. In the lower section, you need to enter the URL related to the news release from the Forex Factory website, which is NFS for Economy. Media, you can copy this link directly from the website and paste it here. After that, by clicking on the Confirm button, we save the settings so that the economic news will be displayed for us. In the lower section, there are two options. By enabling the first option, a warning will be displayed to us before the news is released, and by enabling the second option, a warning will be issued to us after the news is released. Prop traders can use this tab to define a specific time interval, so that if the news release time is approaching or immediately after it, they can avoid entering the market. This allows traders to stay away from sharp price fluctuations and protect their capital in high-risk situations. In the lower section, we can set a specific time in this area. For example, I set the number 30 here, which means I will receive an alert 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the news is released. If I make a trade during this period, the alert will notify me that I have entered a trade within the time frame when the news is about to be released. In the section below, the 8 major currencies of the Forex market are listed, and by activating each currency, we can view the economic news related to that currency. And in the lower left section, the title of the economic news is displayed. In this part, we can see the title of the news. In the middle section, we can see the currency related to the news that has been released or is about to be released. And on the right side, it shows us either the remaining time until the news is released or the amount of time that has passed since the news was published. By clicking on the Own News option, all the news items are deactivated, and by clicking again, the news will be displayed for us in this section once more. Also, by clicking on the Last News option, the next high-importance economic news will be displayed for us in the upper left section. In this section, we can see the news headline in the middle part, the currency related to the news headline, and finally, on the right side, we can view the amount of time remaining until the news is released. Here, when I execute a trade, a warning message is displayed to me. In this message, it tells me that I have entered a trade within the 30-minute time frame that I set here. The message informs me that I executed a trade after the news was released, and we can see the news headline in this section, as well as the time frame we selected, which is shown here. If I select a time frame shorter than the specified range and execute a trade, no warning will be displayed to me. Here I have set the number to 5, meaning that I will receive a warning 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the news is released. As you can see in the lower section, 15 minutes have passed since the release of the ISM Services PMI news related to the USD, and the relevant news has been published. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this expert advisor. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.